Did OM System just bring back a camera line everyone thought was gone forever? Because for 5 years, the Pen series was silent. No updates, no hints, nothing. And then suddenly, one small moment changed everything. An executive was asked a simple question on a podcast: "Is the Pen coming back?" They didn't answer, they just smiled. And that smile sent the photography world into a frenzy. Forums exploded, Reddit lit up, and photographers started asking the same question: is this a real comeback or just nostalgia bait? In this video, we're breaking down the latest leaks, expected specs, possible release timing, and most importantly, whether the Pen EP8 is actually worth waiting for. So, what changed? For years, OM System focused heavily on rugged outdoor cameras like the OM series. The Pen line, known for style and portability, quietly faded away. But 2026 marks something special. It is the company's 90th anniversary, and timing like that is rarely accidental. Multiple sources now confirm the Pen EP8 is actively in development. That alone is big news. But here's where it gets interesting. This is not just about reviving an old model. It looks like OM System wants to reposition the Pen as a modern lifestyle camera, something compact, stylish, and powerful enough to compete in a world dominated by smartphones and content creators. Let's talk about the heart of the camera, the sensor. The previous Pen used a solid 20 megapixel sensor, but by today's standards, it feels dated. The new leaks point toward a stacked BSI sensor, similar to what we've seen in higher-end OM System cameras. And trust me, that's a big deal. Stacked sensors deliver faster readout speeds, better dynamic range, and cleaner images in low light. In real life, that means sharper photos at night, smoother video, and faster burst shooting. Think of it like upgrading from a reliable family car to a sports sedan. Same destination, but a very different driving experience. Now here's where things start to feel very 2026. Stabilization is expected to jump significantly. The previous model offered decent performance, but the new one could reach 6 or even 7 stops of stabilization. That level of stability in such a small body is honestly impressive. It means handheld night shots, smoother walking footage, and fewer ruined photos. Video is also getting a serious upgrade. Instead of basic 4K recording, we're likely looking at 4K at 60 frames per second, possibly even higher resolution options. And here's a detail many creators will appreciate. A microphone input is widely expected this time. That single feature could turn the Pen from a casual camera into a legitimate content creation tool. Let's be honest for a second. Autofocus was the weakest point of the previous generation. It worked, but it didn't feel modern. That is changing. Newer OM System cameras use AI-driven autofocus that can recognize people, animals, and moving subjects automatically. And according to the leaks, the Pen EP8 is expected to inherit that same technology. In practical terms, this means fewer missed shots and less frustration. You raise the camera, press the button, and it just locks on. That kind of reliability matters more than any spec sheet. Now, here's something the Pen has always done better than most cameras: design. The leaks suggest OM System is sticking with the classic rangefinder-style look: clean lines, tactile controls, and that timeless retro feel. You know what's funny? In a world full of black plastic rectangles, a camera with personality stands out instantly. And there is also strong talk about weather sealing, which was missing before. That one change alone could make the camera far more practical for travel and street photography. Because a stylish camera is great, but a durable stylish camera is even better. So, is the Pen EP8 worth waiting for? Here's my honest take. It has the potential to be one of the most interesting compact cameras we've seen in years, not because of nostalgia, but because of balance, size, performance, and usability all in one package. If you already shoot with Micro Four Thirds, waiting makes a lot of sense. If you need a camera right now, there are still great options available today. But if you can hold off a little longer, this comeback could be something special. So what do you think? Is the Pen EP8 a smart revival or just a sentimental return? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update.